Hi everyone. So let's assume a situation where I'm from a design or a production team and I've requested for my purchasing team to issue a purchase order and my purchasing team has issued the purchase order for a specific vendor. And as a production team member or as a design team member, I'm very much interested to see what is the material, what is the description of the material, and how is the property of a material, what is the material group, and so on. I'm very much interested to see the information, but to avoid any bias of purchasing, I should not see the supplier or the vendor from where my purchasing team is procuring this material from. If we want to achieve this in SAP, unfortunately, because of the limitation of the entire architecture, I should either be provided with an authorization to a complete transaction code, and I will not be able to mask or hide those data which I don't want to see. And as per the Article 4 and subsection 5 in the GDPR, there is a terminology which has been introduced by GDPR Council called as pseudonymization. And what it tells is any personal data or a data without uh, informing about the personal identification of a particular person need to be masked. And this kind of requirement, standard SAP or the default product of SAP does not have any utility or any option to do this. And this is one of the customer ask, or many customer have this kinds of requirement. We took this challenge and we gave this challenge to our product team, and our product team came with a solution which is very fascinating, which I would be showing the demo. Let's get into the demo, and I'm just going to show the same scenario which I've just explained in the initial section. Now I have a transaction code called as ME23N, and now I'm a part of the design team, and I'll be able to see the entry of this supplier. And since I'm being given access of ME21N, I'll not be able to control, or my authorization or an SAP security consultant cannot control this specific field, not been seen by me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the utility which we have created called as zmask. And then I'm just going to key in or tell to my system that I'm going to mask a specific field in my program. I'm just going to go and do that by just clicking on this mask field list. And I'm just going to create a new entry. And I've already captured this information about my screen value and the program value. So I'm just going to key in this particular data record. And this we need to identify based on the program and the screen name, which can be easily updated from the every screen within SAP. And now I'm just going to go and click on save. Now, once I'm done with this, I'll run the same transaction code and we'll see a magic. ME23N, and I'm just going to see the supplier is masked. So this way, the same transaction code and with the same validation and data points within this transaction code without disturbing anything on the authorization, I can only mask only those fields which I want my end user not to see. Now, Sarvesh, I'm from a purchasing team and I very much want to see this particular T code, how I can do that. So to do that, I'm just going to go to the same transaction code called as zmask. And I'm just going to go and click on exclude user list. And I am from the purchasing team. So I need to have, or I need to see the values. So now I'm just going to go and maintain my user ID. And I'm just going to go and click on save. Now, if I just run through the same transaction code ME23N, I can just see the values over here. The solution is 100% compatible with UI5 applications or Fury applications and also WebDyn Pro application. And this solution, we have the demo what I've shown is in S/4HANA 2022, which is the latest and the greatest S/4HANA system available in the market. The same solution is also tested in the ECC environment. And I'm looking forward for any other details or questions or queries. And please do drop in an email to us for a individual demo if you're interested to take up this product. Thank you for watching and stay connected. Thanks.